Deep inside the bright and colourful jungle of Jamboree, all the animals were buzzing with excitement. Today was the day of the big jungle jam dance party. Leo the lion roared, "Let's get this party started." Zippy the zebra zoomed across the grass, leaving zigzag trails behind. Mimi the monkey swung from vine to vine, flipping and giggling. Ellie the elephant blasted a trumpet sound with her trunk. But oh no, Penny the parrot squawked, "The music machine is broken. How will we dance?" The jungle went quiet. Then Timmy the tortoise slowly smiled and said, "We don't need a machine. Let's make music with what we have." Leo stomped his paws. Ellie banged coconuts together. Zippy swished her tail. Mimi clapped her hands. Penny sang in her sweet voice, "La la la la." Soon the whole jungle was rocking with the wildest, happiest beats. Even the butterflies twirled in the air. The animals danced and laughed all night under the sparkling stars. And from that day on, they called it the Jungle Jam. Sometimes teamwork makes the best music. For more fun stories like this and educational children's content, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Share this with your friends and family and hit that notification bell. Until next time, goodbye.